The National Collegiate Livestock Coaches Association is dedicated to developing knowledge of the livestock industry through educational settings beyond the traditional classroom. As part of our mission to train and prepare the next generation of professionals for the industry, we are proud to offer the NCLCA Principles of Livestock Selection and Evaluation certification.
The livestock industry is a highly specialized industry that combines scientific principles with technical concepts. And I believe that a learner that completes this certification will be better equipped to apply those principles in production.
The NCLCA Principles of Livestock Selection and Evaluation certification validates the earner has an in-depth knowledge of genotypic and phenotypic traits and can apply their skills on a livestock operation.
I wouldn't have the job I do right now without the background I have in evaluating livestock. In the position I'm at as foreman here at R.E. Brown Ranch, I think it's great to have an understanding of not only EPDs behind the cattle, but also the physical evaluation of them as well, because you can't really have one without the other.
Available on the ICEV testing platform, the NCLCA Principles of Livestock Selection and Evaluation certification prepares individuals to pursue careers in the livestock industry. Because of their specialized skill set, certification earners require less on-the-job training and are more likely to secure high-level positions in the industry.
We have worked and hired a lot of interns through the past 2 decades. And it's amazing, we hire them from all over the world, all over the United States, come from a variety of different backgrounds. And we have some that have amazing backgrounds in livestock production and know how to ride a horse, know how to gather a pasture, but haven't really studied the fundamental aspects of structure and evaluating cattle. So it's amazing that they can be good stewards of the cattle, but not know it from a breeding and selection standpoint. So we make sure that we select and produce cattle that are the most functional, the most sound, and ideally that produce the ideal calf for the consumer and stay sound and functional for long periods of time, for long, healthy, productive lives.